UBS AG, that being Switzerland's biggest bank, has sold its stake of the Bank of China, raking in $400 million from that deal. At the same time, Credit Suisse, Switzerland's second biggest bank, will sell $361 million in Aberdeen Asset Management stock as the bank struggles to revive profits. Also this morning, the Commerce Department released personal spending for the month of November. That was down 0.6%, while personal income fell 0.2%. In other news, the Treasury is once again tapping into the Troubled Assets Relief Program, this time pulling out $4.7 billion to invest in 92 local banks. This, of course, is meant to boost lending. Wall Street is poised for a higher opening this morning after the U.S. government granted $6 billion in loans to General Motors and its finance arm GMAC. This comes after yesterday's moderate losses on Wall Street, in which all three indexes lost between 0.3 and 1.3%, after mounting tensions in the Middle East sent oil futures surging, and also as the $17 billion Kuwait and Dow chemical deal fell through. And oil has hit another low today. The price for crude plunged to $33 in electronic trading. That's after it reached $37 late Thursday. Global markets were down today. In Asia, the Nikkei lost almost 1%, while the Hang Seng plunged almost 2.5%. And in Europe, all major indexes are in the red, with the FTSE down 2.5% and the DAX down 1.6%. World markets took a hit from this news, with the Nikkei and Hang Seng both losing 5.5%, while in Europe, markets are deep in the red, all down between 4 and 5%. In other news, Bank of America said it may cut as many as 35,000 jobs over the next 3 years after it completes its acquisition of Merrill Lynch. The company, of course, is citing the weak economic environment. And consumers may be cutting down on spending, but not so much where video games are involved. According to NPD Group, the gaming industry raked in $3 billion in sales during the month of November, with a lot of those revenues coming from sales of the Nintendo Wii, which sold more than 2 million units. That's your U.S. Opening Bell Report. I'm Luisana Suegart with Markets.com.